Welcome to how to send money with Cash App. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Cash App. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. Let's go ahead and load up the app. So we're going to go ahead and start here on the main page of Cash App. So right now, I currently have about $6 in my account. So what I'm going to do is, if I wanted to send somebody money, all I got to do is go ahead and type in the denomination that I want to send. Let's go ahead and say I want to send half of my money. So I'm gonna send them $3 right over here. So once I hit $3, I'm gonna go ahead and click on that pay button that you're gonna see down there towards the right hand side, and then right over here it's going to pop up a menu to put a name tag, a phone number, or even an email. So if you have that person's information, you can go ahead and plug that in. If you're actually nearby them and you have your settings turned on, you can actually just have it all connected easily, and it makes it even simpler for you. So go ahead and type in that name, the phone number or email, and then in the notes just make sure you add a piece of information on why you are sending that money. Once you do that, top right pay is going to glow in, so that way you can go ahead and press that. It will do a Face ID or your PIN, and it will send the money to that person instantaneously. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.